Okay, we will come back to Nico's items if he attends. Welcome to the January 22nd meeting of the core team. Sorry for the daylight savings time confusion. All right, so the first two items on the agenda are Nico's. Third is legal issues. Florian, I know you said your throat's sore, so
Not many additions.
okay.
We did discuss one issue around the Apache license. We don't need to ship the appendix, which just indicates how to use the license and have removed that.
Okay, next is white papers. I'm assuming no update. Community team reorganization, Florian or Manish.
No progress.
Roadmap is Nico. Survey is Nico. Governance is Nico. Aiden, have we done an announcement about Pietro?
No. I'm way behind on this.
Okay.
We have it, Nico.
Yay, Nico. All right, let's do all of Nico's items now. Team-wide stand-up meeting, Nico.
No updates. I'm not really sure that I'm expecting a lot of changes at the moment.
Okay, should we stop checking in on this?
We can leave it for a short time. But I think the situation is we have the Zulip streams. They seem to be working reasonably well.
Okay. Next is the staged RFCs, stage design, whatever we call it.
There was an RFC opened I just saw around this project group change by Aaron. Let me see.
It doesn't really include stage RFC's stuff, but it's like in the same vein. Like it's like similar-ish, kinda, sorta.
I think it's a prereq, but yeah. I mean, it's like creating the structure that will have the staging.
Yeah.
So after that, my plan was to essentially try, maybe at the all hands, I don't know, or maybe before, but try to adjust the lane team procedure to build on that and encourage us for larger efforts to use groups with kind of explicit.
Okay, next is legal issues. Florian had a small thing. Do you have anything else public to talk about?
I don't, sorry.
Okay. Next Nico item is the roadmap planning.
Planning to open that RFC today. Most people have responded, or many people have. So I was going to do after the meeting, but I wanted to check in here before I did it.
Anyone have any last thoughts?
I had a quick thought. So I reviewed it quickly before this meeting, and I remember when I first reviewed it, there was discussion of the edition in two contexts, which is the breaking changes and also the displaying to the world what we've done. And it feels like the displaying to the world what we've done has kind of gone missing there. And it's not a big deal because there'll be an opportunity to make a case for doing the edition anyway. But right now, there's almost a prescription in there that, oh well, if there aren't like additional work that's been added, then we won't bother doing the edition, which might be premature within the roadmap itself.
Also not how I feel. So if it gave it the sense that it's a prescription, it seems not great. I think it said Oh, I guess it is kind of, you could interpret it that way. It says the expectation is we'll go forward with an addition if we have work landed by October 22. That relies. Yeah, the way I meant that was certainly in that case and maybe in other cases, but it reads more like only in that case.
In which case that makes more sense.
Yeah.
So that's easily resolved.
Is that the only concern, or would you want to also include like some specific language about things that have happened already or something?
No, that was the only concern. I'm happy to make a pull request and tweak the wording to something that.
That would be welcome. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, if there's no other discussion on that, the next item is the survey, Nico.
So I said last week I was going to make a Dropbox paper, and then I just got overwhelmed and didn't do it. So I was going to do it today. The goal would be that this would be a place where we can ask questions and get answers from the person who's been processing the survey data. I pinged him. I haven't gotten any update today about his availability, but the idea would be he can sort of share what he found, and maybe we can steer him if there are further.
Okay. Nico, do you have anything about the governance working group?
Not that hasn't covered in the other heading.
All right. Does anyone else have anything for the public part of the meeting? All right.